अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं आ चुका हूँ ओशन पार्क में अपनी बीवी के साथ। 500 पैसों की यहाँ पे एक टिकट आ रही है, लेकिन वो टिकट लेनी कहाँ से है? यहाँ से मैं देखता हूँ यहाँ से मिलती है कि नहीं। तो यहाँ पे कुछ खाने का है, तो वी विल बाय सम वाटर इनसाइड। तो यहाँ पे कुछ खाने का है, लेकिन टिकट कहाँ से मिलती है ये सवाल है मेरा। आई एम वंडरिंग वेयर वी कैन बाय द टिकट, एंट्रेंस टिकट। दैट इज माय मेन वंडर हियर। Even there was some food here, but I'm not hungry. I wanna, see the shark also. You wanna see the shark? There is underwater marine. So finally we are at the Manila Ocean Park. So this is the Manila Ocean Park. This ocean, what is this called? Oceanarium tickets on the hold. Let me buy the tickets. Wait here, okay?
May lion show tapos
We have just waiting for a ticket. I don't know how much the tickets cost, but I will be asking the price soon. मैं टिकट के इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ, मुझे पता नहीं टिकट कितने का आता है, लेकिन पता करते हैं। हाँ ना, इस वेरी हॉट हियर। 2 tickets.
Ano oras ang close yun? Pwede na.
Ticket this one, okay? Thank you very much. Finally we bought the tickets, and are you excited? Let's go inside the ocean park. You hold the tickets and then you make, okay? Anna, look. You speak, you are excited, something like that. 1, 2, speak. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
How much excited you are?
About 100%.
So only 3 hours left, but we can't see everything, Can you look at the schedule?
You're too loud.
This is the schedule, can you see? 10 a.m., 6 p.m., last entry 5:15. What you wanna see first? Penguin, you wanna see the penguin show?
I don't have an idea.
No, you give me opinion. I will follow
Wait
you.
first. Next. That's all.
Which one you wanna see first? Penguin, right? Trail to Antarctica. Penguin. Okay, let's go. So my wife wanna see the penguin first. Let's go inside. Wanna a big lollipop? Super big. Wow, it's beautiful, isn't it? We should ask them, okay? But 1 to the 500 is a little bit expensive, but it's okay, you know. They increase the price, I want the price. If I buy online ticket, they're selling for only 365 pesos online.
We went into
That's why I was shocked.
Thank you.
So finally we are enjoying it. But what is here? I don't know.